All right, the question is, what is the craziest thing y'all ever did?
I've done a lot of things. I killed somebody.
You say you what?
The craziest thing I ever done?
Mm-hmm.
Sneak out of the house to go see a dude that wasn't even worth it.
Oh.
Bro,
Yo.
look at this fag, man.
So, like, what's the craziest thing, like, you ever did?
I fucked your mother in.
That's crazy.
And none of the both of them. And none of them on the planet.
You too, what did they do? It's your boy LowkeyyNoel in the cut, you know what I'm saying? And I could tell my energy is probably really low right now. It's hella late. It's like 2 in the morning. You know, quarantine just messed up everyone's sleep schedule, so everybody's just sleeping whatever time they want. Unfortunately for me, I've been sleeping at like 5 a.m. for the past 2 weeks. Yeah, that's not good. But yeah, I've been seeing like all over the tube that everybody's been using this new Ye app. It's like the substitution for Monkey. I'm not gonna lie, when it first came out, right, I was still using Monkey. Monkey was working perfectly fine. Matter of fact, I had a Monkey video that I was working on, but I only did like, I think 3 or 4 people. So then I decided to actually download Ye, right? But I guess when you sync the account, it makes you unable to log back into Monkey. So now, yeah, I can only log into Ye. So Ye is my only option, really, at this point. So RIP the Monkey. Even though I only had like 3 videos, but hey, still got the ideas. But anyways, today we're going to be going on the Monkey. Ooh. Today we're gonna go on the Ye app and we're going to see what it's about, because I actually haven't gone on it like at all. Like I haven't video chatted anyone yet, so we gonna see what's up. Let's get it now. I say Kevin, but it's a dude. That was weird. I mean, a female. Oh, they really skipping me. That is crazy. That is really crazy. I did. Hey, let me ask you a question though. What? Oh, what's the craziest thing you ever done?
The craziest thing I ever done?
Mm-hmm.
Sneak out of the house to go see a dude that wasn't even worth it.
Oh. Hey, what's up?
Where you from?
Florida, what about you?
You're Puerto Rico.
Oh, that's what's up.
Y'all have tour bars down there?
I guess so. Yeah, at time? I should have just asked the question, bro. No games. No games. Hey, what's up? I said, what's up? No, I did not want to.
Ice what? Whoa, whoa, baby.
How you doing? What's up? Oh, wait, you're at time?
What the fuck?
Where are you from?
Florida.
You from Florida?
Yeah.
You got the beaches. You got everything.
Yeah, we do.
We
Hey.
got nothing over here. We ain't got.
Oh, wait, can I ask you a question real quick?
Yeah.
What's one of the craziest things you ever did?
I don't know. I don't do crazy things.
She's capping.
You smell that? I smell cap. I smell cap.
What's up?
Hi.
Hey, can I ask you a question real quick?
Sure.
What's the craziest thing you ever done?
What I've ever wanted? Crazy.
The craziest?
I've done a lot of things.
Like?
Like a lot of things.
Specifics? Whoa. She belongs to the streets. I'm playing. Yo. Yo. Hey, yo, I got a question real quick. Hey, what's the craziest thing y'all ever did? Yo, wait, hold up. At time? Damn it. They was gonna say some funny shit. I ain't gonna lie. Hey, what's up?
Hey.
What's up?
Hey, yo, I got a question real quick.
Yeah, what's up?
Oh, yeah, at time though.
Oh,
Alright, the question is, what is the craziest thing y'all ever did?
in life,
Yeah.
I killed somebody.
You say you what?
I shot somebody in the head. It's straight with them.
what?
What about you?
I mean, I didn't do anything that crazy, but
Hey, Bumbo Galap. Mon. Can I cut?
whoa.
Tamama la direct cut.
What the f-
No that way, but.
I don't know. Skipped. Straight dudes out here. Yo.
Look at this fag, man.
Wow, that's crazy.
Ugly as fuck.
I know you ain't talking. Hold up. That time. But you look like a rat. Ooh. Oh, boy, I'm about to get on them boys. Hey, what's up? Hey, I got a question real quick. What's the crazy... Wait, at time? Alright, so, like, what's the craziest thing you ever did? Nothing at all? You sure? Okay. Yeah, so you ain't do nothing. You're a child of God? Alright.
Cap.
Now with the album out, are you paying?
I ain't know he's going to show me.
Yo.
I was trying to peep in the cut, man.
Hey, I got a question, though.
What's up? I tell him real quick.
Alright.
What's up, man? Hey, what happened?
So, like, what's the craziest thing, like, you ever did?
I fucked your mother in.
That's crazy.
And none of the both of them. And none of them on the planet.
Wow,
And
that,
damn, how you so famous? So I have no famous. What
That-
you talking about?
wow. Niggas wild.
It's blind.
Hey, what's up? What's up? Wait, at time? Wow. Yeah, I hate you.
That's tough, my nigga. That's tough.
Hey, what's up?
tigers could see.
Hey, what's up?
Okay, Ian. 12 o'clock is the perfect time to wake up. Ain't it? You.
Yeah, it is, Loki. Hey, yo, at time? Wow. Hey, what's up?
How else am I supposed to say hi other than?
Hey, I got a question real quick.
Huh?
I got a quick. Hey, yo, at time? Alright, so, like, what's the craziest thing y'all ever did?
We can't like understand. Like you're like glitching.
Damn, I see that too. What the fudge? Oh, man. That lady was gonna give a good answer, too. Look. Connection failed. Alright, I'm gonna end it right there real quick.
Losing again, how the fuck can I get a win? Sinning again, oh my god, you just lied again. How could I win?